All right, you guys, so it's another morning in the hills of Jamaica, and today I'm gonna be having papaya for breakfast. So what happens if you eat papaya seeds every day? Papaya seed protects against our hearts. These seeds are rich in various antioxidants and protect our body from free radical damage. They also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol level, which protects your heart from various disorders. Alright, so fun fact. Did you know that everything on the papaya you can eat? The skin, the flesh, even the seeds. As a matter of fact, the seeds on the inside are good for parasites in the body. Now, certain compounds in the seeds, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, might support liver and heart function. Papaya seeds contain bioactive compounds that may have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may also help reduce inflammation in the body and provide relief from inflammatory conditions. Papaya seeds are also rich in fiber. They regulate our bowel movements, removing toxins from the body and thus maintaining a good, healthy gut. Papaya seeds are also helpful in constipation. Carpine present in papaya seeds kills bacteria and parasites in our intestine and thus keep our digestive system healthy. Papaya seeds are most beneficial when chewed or crushed. Now you can start by taking like 2 to 3 at a time, and if we have no side effects, then you can add 2 more to reach about a 1/4 teaspoon, and you can do that daily. Thanks for watching, you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.